In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money with MoneyGram. There are two simple ways to get your money, directly into your bank account or mobile wallet, or by picking up cash at a MoneyGram agent location. I'll walk you through both so you can choose what's most convenient for you. Let's start with receiving funds to a bank account or mobile wallet. After the sender completes the transfer, you'll get a notification from your bank or wallet provider. Depending on your settings, this might appear as a push alert in the app, a text message, or an email. Always make sure notifications come from your official bank or wallet channels and avoid clicking suspicious links. Next, open your bank or mobile wallet app and sign in securely. Navigate to your recent transactions or balance to confirm the money has been credited. Processing times can vary by bank, country, and transfer type, so if you don't see it immediately, give it a little time. Once it appears, you're all set. No further action needed on your end. Now, if you prefer cash pickup, here's how to do it smoothly. Start by finding a nearby MoneyGram agent. Go to the official MoneyGram website and use the Find a Location feature. Enter your city or zip code to see a list of agent locations near you. It's a good idea to note the hours of operation and any local requirements so you're not making an unnecessary trip. Head to the agent location you selected. When you arrive, some locations may ask you to complete a short receive form. If so, provide your full name, the sender's name, and the reference number the sender gave you. Write names exactly as they appear on the transfer and on your ID to avoid delays. Have a valid government-issued photo ID ready to present to the agent. Make sure it's current and that the name on your ID matches the transfer details. This verification step protects both you and the sender. Once the agent verifies your information, you'll receive your cash. Take a moment to count it discreetly and keep your receipt in a safe place for your records. If the payout is in a different currency than you expected, ask the agent to explain the conversion before you leave the counter. And that's it. You've successfully received your money with MoneyGram, either digitally to your account or in cash at an agent location. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more MoneyGram tips and tutorials.